Car people always ask, should I go for Gyeon Pure Evo or Mohs Evo? Well, I tested both, and here's the truth. Pure Evo is the beauty queen. It gives your paint that dripping, wet, glassy look that makes you want to just stare at your car instead of driving it. On my black hood, it looks so deep I joked I could fall right into it. But here's the thing. It's built more for looks than muscle. You'll get solid protection, but expect 2 to 3 years if you maintain it right. Mohs Evo, on the other hand, is the workhorse. It's tougher, more chemical resistant, and lasts longer, closer to 3 to 4 years. It still adds gloss, but it's not quite as dramatic as Pure. Think of it like choosing armor over a tuxedo. So, how do you decide? If your car's a weekend toy or a showpiece, Pure Evo all day. If it's your daily driver and you want max protection, Mohs Evo wins. Either way, you can't lose unless you skip ceramic coating altogether, and then, well, good luck with that.